Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia, if this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Alright, one of the first things that I did when I was, well, the first week I'm like, okay, well, clearly this must be like menstrual issues or something like that. After about the second week going into the third week, I'm like, something is clearly not right. So I am fortunate enough I was able to go to a dermatologist. I have a black dermatologist here. I'm not gonna put her name just because I don't know if she's taking new clients right now, because honey, sis is booked and busy and I'm all here for it. So I went to her and she basically said anytime you're breaking out around here, Alicia, has two things. It's either your hormones, and I wasn't really experiencing anything. I wasn't stressed out about anything or anything like that. She said, but it also could be a intolerance to, most of the time, it's dairy. So try to limit my dairy intake. And I don't really drink milk that much. I've now switched completely to almond milk. But I was eating a lot of cheese. I was just cheese. I mean, it's cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Anyway. So I limited that, and then she also recommended a acne.org. I will put the website here, but the acne.org, I'll show you what it looks like. It's a cleanser, and these are the trial size, so the big ones will come, it'll be in a bigger version. So they have the cleanser, they have the treatment, which is basically the acne treatment that you only put on your acne marks, and then they have the moisturizer. So for probably the first, while I was still breaking out, these are the only things that I use. Day, night, weekends, holidays, Mother's Day. Like, this was the only thing that I used to help clear my acne breakouts, because I couldn't even start getting rid of the dark spots if I didn't stop the damn pimples from coming in. I'm trying not to curse. I'm trying to make this as family friendly as I possibly can. So this system single-handedly helped prevent my breakouts. They're not paying me to say this. This ain't sponsored. I wish they would, because I've recommended so many people to this system. But this, like I said, this is the acne.org. This is the trial size. I just like buying trial sizes when it comes to skincare, because when it's cheaper, or two, I can test it to make sure I actually like it before I commit to the full size versions. And then three, when I'm packing, it's easy to throw these in the suitcase and know that they're FAA compliant, without me having to like second guess. So this system saved my life. I use this, I think I got this mid-February, and I use this, like I said, every single day, twice a day, in the morning and at night, probably until the end of March, because that's when my breakouts like slowly started fading away until I wasn't really breaking out anymore. So use this religiously for a month and a half. Okay, so now we are done with breakouts, but now we have to deal with all the marks that got left from breaking out. And I'll put up a couple of pictures here throughout the video so you guys can see what they look like. I don't have any makeup on. I probably should have mentioned that. I have on no makeup. I'll give you guys an up front or a zoomed in version when I'm done. So now we have no breakouts. Now we have to clear up all the stuff that was left. So these are the things that I did. I still use the cleanser just because I love the cleanser. It kind of reminds you of like a mix between a foam and a milk. So I love the cleanser. I still use the cleanser to this day. Sometimes, probably like once or twice a week. Use that. However, now I need to just start clearing up my dark marks. So one of the first things that I got that my sister recommended is the Ole Henriksen, the dark spot toner. Life-changing. Ole Henriksen's products are normally expensive, so this one was only $28, which in the skincare world is amazing. So I started using this, like I said, at the beginning, around probably like the beginning to mid-April, because I never got around to actually purchasing it at Sephora. So been using this. I use this directly after the cleanser. So it's the acne.org cleanser, and then it's the Ulla Henriksen dark spot toner. And I just put it like in this area because this is the dark spots that I needed issues with, and then I started breaking out up here as well. This only because I wasn't taking my makeup off enough up here. So I would use it basically on the perimeter of my face, and I did this morning and at night. Next up, while that is drying, Ulla Henriksen actually sent me their Banana Bright. I didn't get this. They didn't send me this. I mean, I wish they did. They just recently did, I guess, you know. But I had to buy this on my own. Alright, so, but they sent me their Banana Bright collection, which included the eye cream, the moisturizer, and then it's a primer. And so I got on where everybody else goes, where you are right now. I got on YouTube, and I don't remember her government name. I think it's Janae. But she's on Instagram, Hyla Lux. She mentioned it. She loved it. So I was like, okay, if they sent it to me, why not try it? So I started using this also in mid-April, and I didn't have a lot. I mean, I didn't have heavy dark marks under my eyes, so that's not something that I really wanted to get rid of. That was an issue for me, but I just wanted my face to overall look more lively when I got out of bed. I didn't want to look like a zombie for the first like 2 to 3 hours. I didn't want to always have to get up and immediately put on makeup. So I started using this Banana Bright eye cream. I use it twice a day, in the morning and at night. I still use it to this day, but I started using it mid-April and fell in love with it. Absolutely fell in love with it. Ran out, wrote Ulla Henriksen, hey, love it, and they sent me another one. So I have yet to have to buy this one. I did buy this one. So this is the Banana Bright eye cream. So I bought this one. There's a travel size version of this that I did buy, that I just keep in my travel skincare bag. So I did buy the trial size version just because I wanted to have it with me, and I didn't want to forget it when I'm packing. So love this. It has a ton of vitamin C, and for those people that want their skin, they say, oh, my skin's dull, or my skin's not bright, I would go immediately to a vitamin C collection. It doesn't have to be this one because, like I said, the whole collection is a little expensive. Pixie Beauty has one in Target, vitamin C collection. Anything that you're looking for to overall brighten your skin, vitamin C is the way to go. Serums, I'm using a serum right now from Drunken Elephant. I bought the trial size version because it is expensive, and I'll let you know my thoughts. So I use this one day and night. Alright, next up, because like I said, I was very adamant about wanting to get rid of the dark spots, is the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I had heard so many good things about this. I use Kiehl's. I use their, they have a, what do you call it? Is it a body cream? It's like a really, really thick body cream that I have that I absolutely love. And then they have a body wash. It's absolutely amazing. So I was familiar with Kiehl's. So I picked this one up. It's the Clearly Corrective, like I said, dark spot solution. So I put on the toner. While that's drying, I put on the under eye cream. And then while that's drying, I'll go back in with the Kiehl's Corrective, and I put it once again on the perimeter because, like I said, I'm like double fisting to get rid of these dark spot areas around here. So that's one thing that I used as well. I still use this to this day. Like everything that I'm mentioning, I still use to this day. The cleanser I still use, but not as often because it's really just to stop breakouts, not really. It's to prevent the breakouts. Now that I'm not breaking out anymore, I don't see any reason to use it as often, so I'll probably bring it out probably on like Saturday or Sunday when I'm doing like a deep cleaning for my skin. Other than that, everything else gets used to this day. As far as a moisturizer, I don't really have a favorite. I was using, and I still am using, the Origins Retinol Night Moisturizer. You guys, I mean, it's clearly almost gone. So once I'm done with this one, I mean, it's pretty good, but it's a moisturizer. As long I like my moisturizer to be thick, and I like them to be heavy, especially at night, because I want it to get all in my pores. In the daytime I have a completely different moisturizer. I actually use the Ulla Henriksen, same thing, the C Rush Gel Brightening Cream. It's light, it's weight, but it's also moisturizing. So I use this one in the morning, and then like I said, I've been using the Origins Retinol Night Moisturizer at night. But like I said, I'm almost out, and this was a little expensive. So whenever this is out, I have a ton more night cream, so I'll just pick another one up. I don't think it made a difference in my dark spot, so I'm not like sold on it. One of the recommendations that my esthetician gave me was by The Ordinary. Really, really, really good, and inexpensive, and just overall great skincare brand. I will link them here, or I'll mention them up here, and then I'll link it at the bottom. I have only, like I said, I've been using, this is The Ordinary, which is their peeling solution, which is a very, 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 very lightweight chemical peel. You do it yourself. You basically, and it comes, and it's really freaky because like when you put it on, it looks red, so it looks like you're getting like this bloody vampire facial that you see celebrities getting. It's not. So it's basically this has AHA 30% and then the BHA of 2%. So it's a basically 10-minute exfoliating facial. You put it on, leave it up for 10 minutes, and then you have to rinse it off with very, very cold water so that it stops the process of peeling. So I've used this every week while I wasn't going to the esthetician. So I went and got my chemical peels twice a week. I went and got them twice, one in May and one in July. And then every other week, most of the time it was on Saturday or Sunday when I do like a deep cleaning. Deep cleaning was when I use this. This is actually my second round. I think it was like maybe $12 or $13. But I messed around and left it while I was on vacation and just had to get another one. And thank God it was cheap, because I mean, if I would have lost any one of these things are like skincare, good quality skincare. It's expensive. So yeah, I use this once a week, put it on for 10 minutes, scared the shit out of my husband, and then rinsed it off. So that is it. Here we are, November, so we have 9 months later, and I feel comfortable going out in public without makeup. I feel confident going out in public without makeup. Let me zoom in to give you guys all the things, and then some extra things that I'm still working on. Alright, so guys, this is really close. This is an up close of my face. Let's get these locks out of the way so you guys can see it. So if you guys notice, let me go right here. So this is the picture of the before, and this is the after. So there's like no dark skin marks on this side. Over here on this side, ouch. Don't you hate it when hair gets like locked onto your earring? Whew. Over here, I do have a couple right here. That's only because I did have a pimple, and instead of doing what my dermatologist told me to and not to touch it, I touched it, and it's just a mess. So I have something up here that I need to get rid of, but I don't have any dark marks up here. I don't have anything over here. My eyes are nice and bright. So yeah, this is the face sans makeup. So I will link everything that I talked about. I will also list in order the steps that I did and how often I did them, like the cleanser, the toner, how often I did each and every single one of those, so that you guys can get those details. Like I said before, I am going to come out with a full detailed AM skincare routine and a PM skincare routine, because while they are somewhat similar, they are vastly different. Some products get used double duty, some do not, and so I want to give you guys a complete comprehensive list on how I maintain the no breakouts while also keeping my skin nice and clear and even and toned and bright and all the good things that you want with skin. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can hit me or see those whenever they come out. In the meantime, guys, check out all my other videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of your love and support. And I'm gonna go to bed because I'm sleepy. I'm about to go straight to bed. I will talk to you later, guys. Bye.